Music festivals. A sea of people pulsing with energy. The air alive with music. Excitement in every corner. Now imagine that, but amplified. Bigger, bolder, more personalized. That's what AI is doing for festivals. It's not just a cool tech edition. It's the future of the festival experience. From the moment you buy a ticket to the last encore, AI is changing the game. Think personalized recommendations for bands you'll love. Imagine mind-blowing visuals perfectly synced to the music. AI is making festivals smarter, smoother, and more unforgettable than ever before. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is happening now. Get ready to dive into the world of AI-powered festivals. Trust me, it's going to be epic. So how exactly is AI rocking the festival scene? Let me break it down for you. AI is like the ultimate stage manager, working behind the scenes to make everything seamless. Take, for example, festival logistics. AI analyzes mountains of data to optimize everything. It helps organizers choose the best dates, predict crowd flow, and even personalize your food and drink recommendations. Forget long lines and missing your favorite acts. AI is here to make sure you don't miss a beat.
But wait, there's more. AI is also a master of entertainment. It's creating jaw-dropping visual experiences that react to the music in real time. Imagine lasers dancing with the rhythm, immersive projections transforming the stage, and custom light shows that blow your mind. This is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is constantly evolving, finding new ways to amaze us and make festivals more immersive and unforgettable.
Don't just take my word for it. AI is already making waves at festivals around the world. Take the Electric Daisy Carnival, for instance. They're using AI to create personalized schedules for attendees, recommending acts based on their musical taste. No more agonizing over set clashes.
Then there's Coachella, the trendsetter itself. They've been using AI-powered chatbots to answer questions, provide directions, and even order food. Talk about a VIP experience.
And let's not forget about Tomorrowland, the festival that's like stepping into another dimension. They're using AI to create stunning